We'll guide you through how to find contacts in Gmail. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this on a phone or computer, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter the phone type, whether it's iPhone or Android as well. We're keeping this guide broad so you can follow along. And you can follow this video whether you're currently logged into a Gmail account or if you're not. As you can see in my case, I am logged in. So this is really annoying if you've gone and forgotten your password, because perhaps you're trying to go and log in on another device and then you're unable to, or perhaps you just want to go and change it so you know it because you may need it in the future for whatever reason. So we're going to guide you through this step by step, make sure this full video, and let's go and get right into this. So what you need to do is you need to go to the top right and you can go and tap your profile icon if you're currently signed in. Then you'll go and get this pop-up and you can go and press manage your Google account like so. You're going to go and get brought to the Google account settings page here, or sort of the My Google account management page. From here, you need to go and find the option for security and sign in. And what you need to do is go and tap there like so, wait for this to load. Now, what you need to do is go down to how you sign into Google. There, you're going to go and see the option for password. And you can see it was last changed. One was the 1st of November, 2025. I'll tap there. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to go and load, and it's going to go and ask you to go and verify that it's you. But what you can do is go and press try another way like this. Now, if you're on a certain device like an Android, you're usually here able to go and use your PIN, like your phone PIN, to go and unlock it, which is really convenient. If you can't because you're not on an Android or you haven't got that setting and it's not working, what you can do is go and press try another way like so. And then what we can do is you can go and see Google's actually confirmed this phone's yours, which is really convenient. In other cases, what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to reset it by an email going to your recovery email if you've got that added, or if you've got a phone number added as a recovery method as well, you can go and use that. So what will happen is they'll go and send a code to that email or phone, and you'll then need to go and enter it in. So make sure you've got access to that. But in my case, in the most convenient way, is that Google has confirmed the phone is mine. This is because I've gone and used the account on here before, etc. So what you can do is go and press continue like so, and it's going to go and load. And now what I can do is simply just go and enter in the new password, and I can then go and confirm it. So it's much easier than you probably thought there, as you saw. So what I can do now is go and enter a new one. It's really common for you to go and forget your password, because often when you've gone and set it up for the first time, you then are staying logged in and you aren't signing in and out. And so it's easy to go and not remember it. Just an example of what may go and happen otherwise is you may go and get a notification sent to another iPhone or device you've got. I've got other iPhones signed in, but you have other Androids, which you can go and verify it. Or you can press try another way. And as you can see, a verification code has just been sent to my backup email, which I can then use to recover. Or I can press try another way again. And as you can see, I can then go and get a verification code sent via a phone call or via a text. So there we go. There are some different ways of how you can go and then be able to go and verify that it's you and you have to update your password.